Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Alvaro Alexander Vargas Gomez. I am very grateful for this opportunity. It was very nice to me because I learned different ways or skill to speaking English. For example, I remember in the first class, I saw the first topic was CAE about how to speaking fluently. And this part, I saw the different way to. It's was about 4 parts, 15 minutes, 2 candidates, and one examinators about CAE. Then okay, that is my partners. My tutor and my classmate was a bit experienced. Thank you very much, teacher, for that. Describing photos was a great topic to me. Why? Because I learned different vocabulary, different ideas to teach another people or interchange opinion. Speaking activity was very great to me too. Why? Because using the different question to speaking useful vocabulary for debates is the same. Was a great topic because I learned many vocabulary, many sentences to explain whatever topic or according or exactly topic in the meeting. I learned different vocabulary for that. On the other hand, describe something you on which is very important. It's very important because I saw different strategies to apply your application to this exam, IELTS. Finally, I want to say thank you very much, teacher, for this opportunity, this course, this group, this time was very nice to me. I consider that I learn or I can up my level in English. Thank you very much. Bye.